Hi everybody, how you doing today? What's your name?
Christian.
And this is my nephew Christian. He'll be doing a video with me today at the garden. This is the first time you've been at the garden for a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited?
And last time he was my parents and then Guzani.
Yeah, so today we picked some asparagus already, haven't we?
Yeah.
And so what are we going to try doing now? Do some weeding?
Yeah.
With the stirrup hoe? So you're going to show everybody how to use a stirrup hoe today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get it and we'll do some weeding. So we're going to go find the stirrup hoe we left in the garden over here. We were just giving a quick little show how it works. He's very excited. He asked me this morning if we could come out. And I said sure, because we haven't been out for a while. Okay, where do we leave it? Right over there. See it? Right in the garden where we left it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Okay.
I found grass.
There we go. Okay, so we'll have to go down farther where we haven't weeded yet, right? Go down farther. So Christian is going to teach us how to use the stirrup hoe today.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we use it? We put it between the rows, right? And then we go back. Don't get the spinach though. That's the spinach. Get that guy right there. Good job. Harder, pull it so you cut the grass. There you go, good job. Okay, come on over here and we'll try this guy right here.
Yeah.
So we want to go this way. We want to go, wait a sec. We want to go back and forth like this. Step over there. Okay, here you go. Right there.
Back and forth.
Back and forth, but don't hit the spinach. There, get that weed. There you go. Good job. Okay, try this guy here. Go get that guy too.
This one?
Yep. Look at this, farmer in training.
Look there.
Yeah, that's called milkweed.
But no milkweed.
That's what the butterflies like to eat. But we have so much of it around here, we can cut a little bit off. So put the stirrup hoe down and go back and forth, remember?
Yeah.
There we go. Good job. Okay, and we have to get this clover here too, Chrissy. Let's get some of this guy here.
Why?
Because we need to get it out. We don't want the clover in there. There you go. Go nice and hard. There you go.
Cat with clover.
Cats like clover.
Yeah.
There you go. Pull hard. There you go. Good job. Okay, well come on over to this bed over here, okay? Coming over to this one here. He's doing a pretty good job for his first time, I think. Got him trained up. Okay, so come over here. Let's do this grass right in here, Chris.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Back and forth, cut that grass off. Here we go, keep going, pull harder. Good job. Okay, now you can try this grass right here too. There you go. Nice work. Okay, there we go. Okay, come on over here. So how was that? Did you enjoy using that?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, are we going to check out the rest of the garden then?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go look around the rest of the garden there. And we're going to show them everything, the onions, the radishes, the lettuces, and the beans. Are you excited? Okay, what do you have to say to everybody?
If you want to subscribe or video that we made last time, then this.
So we want everybody to subscribe to our channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he says subscribe to our channel, please. He'd appreciate it. And give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Say thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
And say happy gardening.
Happy gardening.
There you go, guys. Have a great day. Bye.